Hey everyone, I just purchased a Govee Permanent Pro light set, and I wanted to mount it in such a way that it looks permanent and you don't see the wires. I decided on the Pro set since I'll probably run with white lights most of the time. And this is a 200-foot set which almost went around our small house. But I decided to make my own tracks. I bought some 10-foot 1x3 Reson trim boards from Lowe's for about $7 each. Ripped it down to 2 1/8 inch wide. That leaves about 3/8 of an inch of wood on each side of the hole for the light. Painted them, made a router template so that I could make an opening for each light. The boards also have a 1/4 inch by 1/4 inch dado on top, centered, for the wires to run, and also it holds the individual lights up in the opening. So the wires are about a 1/2 inch from the face of the light, so if your groove is a 1/2 inch up in the hole, then it will stay there. So for 200 feet of wood, it cost about $160, which ain't bad. But it is a lot of work. 120 holes, but I think it's going to work out good. But I hope the birds don't like it as much and decide to build nests up there. And I also cut paint sticks down to about 2 1/2 inches long to use as hold downs as needed, and attach them on the top of the track board, I guess, with hex head screws so I could install them, tighten them, loosen them from the side with a ratcheting wrench. And I spaced them about 2 1/2 inches away from the house. Probably could have been a little bit more, but that's all right. Spliced several sets of wires. I made several splices in the wire. I use those solder connectors that you heat up with a heat gun, and then I put some shrink wrap over that. For the area above the rafter tails and gable outriggers, I just used some pieces of wood to join the two tracks together. So anyway, decided I'd share what I did. Maybe you can give you some ideas for your light install.